Alright, there was a car. So I'm pointing to the right and there's still some sound. Now the sound's across the whole thing. I don't... It's actually only on the right now. Now there's some coming from the left. But people have like topography maps and they're all in like fine detail and like, please now afford me a moment to provide examples of the landscape. Let's get into depth about the landscape. Science lectures, and then if anyone just sat here, be like a 4-year-old kid, be like, Mom, what's wrong with that train? That's not even a train, Mom. Now it's done on the left. It's all done. Now it's just going on out here on the right. So in the middle of that, because it was so stupid and screwed up, now they're saying, oh, it was multiple trains and one went one way, the other went the other way. That's why. And that still doesn't make sense either, but whatever. I can't go over there and record it. I'll be spotlit and arrested. Otherwise, I'd go record the little trucks and take pictures of the amplifiers and the big speakers. Maybe some of the shiny-headed dumbasses driving the trucks, honoring themselves, thinking of the shit. Stuff like that. It's all night. You hear that background noise? It goes all night. And that's just part of it. Still going. I could sit here continuously recording.